Today, I'm going to show you how to add auto captions to your videos using the VN Video Editor app. This feature is super handy for making your content more accessible. So let's get started. First, make sure you have the VN Video Editor app installed on your device. After that, you can simply create a new project or edit the existing one. Now, let's add the auto captions to your video. Once your video is on the timeline, tap on the video clip to select it. At the bottom of the screen, find and tap the auto captions option. As you can see, here is the auto caption. Now the app will analyze your audio and generate captions automatically. This may take a moment, so be patient. Here you can also choose which language you want, and simply you need to tap on convert. And that's it, you've successfully added auto captions to your video using the VN Video Editor app.